Guys, it's me, Denise here. Well, I got Poppy back here. She gonna sit with me. Hers be a good girl today. So I got my package come in today, and I did a fabric destash on Friday, I think it was. And it's Wednesday, and it come all the way from Las Vegas. And considering it come all the way from Las Vegas, and I'm in Mississippi, and it was Friday, I feel like that's pretty good. Maybe it was Saturday. Saturday destash, my bad. Okay, Saturday destash. So I got a 3-yard cut, $18, a 5-yard cut, $30, 2 layer cakes, $30 a piece, and a mystery pack for $29. And my total come out to $146.59. So I figured if y'all haven't done the fabric destash, I would show you what you're going to get. So I've already opened it because I can't wait. I'm sorry, I just can't do it. So I got a Bali triple dyed batik Hawaii, the first one, and let's see, you can see it. Go through a couple. Honestly, it's feels like batiks, but it's okay. It's really nice. I like this one better than the other one. No, I told you a story, because this is the Hawaii one. The Hawaii one is this one right here, and I believe this one's got sea turtles, and it's got shells, sea turtles, and I think it's really cute. I like beach stuff. So this is just a look at the first one. All kind of different colors with the sea turtles and the shells. Some darker, and looks like palm trees and pineapples. That's the first one. That was $30. And the second one I like, but not as good as the first one, because this is just all flowers. I dig flowers. I'm not into botanical, like big flowers. These I like. I like these. Don't particularly like things like this, but it looks good. I think they'll go together and complement each other very well. So this was the Bernitex Bali Hawaii 2. I like the one better just because it's sea turtles and shells and pineapples, and this one, like I said, is just, I mean, if you like flowers, hey. If you like big, beachy palms, then this is for you. So this was $30. This was $30. And then I got, a 5-yard cut. I didn't have a lot of batiks. The only batiks I've ever really had was I had gotten a log cabin kit from Jordan Fabrics, and the batiks a lot of people don't like because they're stiffer, but I like them because they are stiffer and they're kind of easier to sew. Like, they're stiff, so they're easier to sew, so I like that. This was the 5-yard cut, and it was $30 for a 5-yard cut, so you're talking about $6 a yard. So, and then I got a 3-yard cut, $18, another $6 a yard. So I think I got a lot of nice batiks. I don't know why, but they show up prettier in the camera to me for some reason. I'm not understanding that, but it's showing true to color. I don't know. But, and again, it's a batik, so it's stiff. Okay, so if you ever wonder what a mystery pack is, now this mystery pack was $29. It's got 3, I think it's half yards, 3 half yards notions, and a pattern for $29. So that's, I think that's pretty good. So the first thing I got was, it's a Quilting the Day, Eleanor. It's a cat paw. It's a cat paw lint brush. It looks like a makeup brush to me. Like, I mean, it's really soft, like you would do your makeup with. I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna do with lint, but lifts lint from machines. Stores easy. Soft cat paw bristles. Regularly $9.95. So that's basically 10 bucks. And then I got this thing, it says Nifty Notion binding needle set of 2. Look how big this is. Binding needles. I haven't opened it. Like, I don't hand bind anything. I'm not the greatest machine sewer, much less a hand sewer. So when I saw this, I'm like, I don't understand. And it is, this is the whole needle. Like, this is huge. A huge needle. It's, the needle is 5 1/4. Well, 5 1/8. It's bent. It might be due to packaging. I don't know if it's something you take and you just, I don't know. It says binding needle. I'm gonna have to look that up, because one thing, I'll probably never use it because, like I said, I don't hand sew anything. So, but it's pretty cool. Maybe a friend or somebody would like to have it. Then we got, I really like this pattern, and I'm kind of picky on patterns, but it's a Sunken Garden features Northcott Fleurs Patchwork Studio. Includes wall quilt, queen quilts, and a lap size. That's the sizes on the back. And they're showing backwards, but Sunken Garden. It's a really pretty quilt. And if you got big prints that you want to show off, like my Tulip Pink. This right here is the fabric. This is the mystery pack fabric. Would I have bought this myself? No. But this actually, it's not horrible. Let's see. I don't know. It's a yard. I think it's a yard. It's not, let's see. Well, it's actually, no, my bad. Probably what you want. It's a yard. This is a 3 yard. So 3 yards of fabric. And this is one of the fabrics that comes with it. Let's see. Here's the other one. I see you, Poppers. Does you want to come here? That's a puppy. All right. This is the other yard. So 3 yard mystery pack. It's not horrible. Maybe when I learn to make totes, might make a good tote. I'm not sure. Not really sure. And this one I kind of like too. And they're Northcott fabrics, I think. I would, like I said, I wouldn't have bought them, but not horrible. So you get 3 yards of fabric, which is the cheap side is, well, if it was $6 a yard, which it's probably not. And then you get your pattern, which is $13. Then you get your cat paw, which was $9 or $10, $9.95, and then your 2 sewing needles, and then 3 yards of fabric. I don't think that's too bad for a mystery quilt. Not sure they match, but I know these two do, so I don't think that's too bad. So if you wanted to know what come in the mystery package, that's what comes in the mystery package. And Poppy says, hey, yeah, hi, Poppers. Yeah. Got an ombre dog. He said, lay down. And just if you was curious about the 1 yard mystery pack, it's $29. 3 yards of fabric, 2 notions, and a pattern. I think that's pretty good. Y'all have a great day. Come back and see me. Bye-bye.